Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to book a cheap flight on the Chase Travel Portal. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and use your Chase points in order to book travel. How do you actually go ahead and do that? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved, but the way to actually do this is that first you're going to go onto the Chase Travel Portal. And then on the upper right hand side, right now this is blurred out, but you can see how many points I have. It's important to keep that in mind. Next, you're going to scroll down and then click on flights. And then from here, you're going to enter some basic information. So you'll enter whether it's a round trip, one way, or multi-city. You'll enter the type of flight that you want, economy, premium economy, business, or first class. And you'll also enter the number of individuals traveling with you. So we'll just do a round trip, and then we'll set the from to Las Vegas, and then we'll set the to Cebu, Philippines. And then you're going to select the departure date. So we'll say that this is on March 9th. And then we'll set the return date. You can see that it starts to highlight. We'll say it's April 9th. So let's say we'll be there for 1 month. Next, click on search. Now, after you click on search, you'll see a list of flights here that you can select and book using your points. So with that, if we just give this a couple of seconds to actually load, you can see that there's a flight here for 968 points. There's a flight here for 974 points. And so if we click on this one here, the non-changeable flight, you'll see that the left side starts to auto-populate with the itinerary details and the seat map and also the flight total. So if I click on the economy non-changeable flight, you'll see that the flight total is $968 or 64,000 points. If I click on premium economy, you'll see that it now uses 113,000 points or 1,700. So again, it's important to keep in mind how many points that you have so that you could actually go ahead and make sure that your points cover enough to cover the cost of the ticket of the flight. In addition to that, you could also pay for your flights half with points and half with cash also if you wanted to. But with that though, once you find a flight that you want, let's say that we're going to choose this cheapest flight here, the economy non-changeable. Click on choose flight. Here, you now need to choose the return flight. So you can just browse through which one fits your calendar the best and then click on this one. And so you can see that we now have chosen the flight going there and we've also chosen the flight coming back. And then the flight total ends up being around $968. So then you're going to click on add to trip. So once you do that, you're just going to fill out the impromptu information such as your name, address, flight ID, passport number, TSA pre-check number, and all that. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and book cheap flights on the Chase Travel Portal. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.